Behold, the train of tomorrow, today. It's the incredible Amtrak RTL Turboliner, in N-scale. So fast, it travels at scale speeds beyond that of other things that don't travel as fast as it does. Featuring 40 wheels of reliable electrical pickup, the RTL Turboliner is available in both standard DC and all-new digital command control, featuring realistic train sounds. Now you're playing with power. As you streak along the rails at super speed, you turn off the lights, and nothing happens, because this is a pre-production factory sample and it doesn't have any lights yet. But the production models will, and then you'll be streamlining in the darkness. Where's the beef? Probably inside this fully detailed food service coach. With all of these fine details inside and out, you'll think this electric train set was from the year 2000. Knock knock, who's there? It's not delivery, it's the Turboliner, in N-scale. Order yours by June 15th. The Amtrak RTL Turboliner, in N-scale. New from Rapido, of course.
Lunatics!